Alright guys, this is day 3 in Thailand. At full battle gear tayo for photography dahil long sleeve tayo ngayon. Training day with the boys, Philippine rugby team. It's already around 7:30, almost mag-8 na pala. 8 a.m. We're checking out. Hindi pa kami check out. Lalabas lang kami. Wait for our grab car. Warm up na.
No Thai food. You bought the roll of toilet paper, me?
No, I have wipes.
Wipes? Oh, we need
So
rolls.
because
Right. Getting ready for training day with the boys. Yeah. Pang-umaga. Yeah.
Let's go,
Si Willie. Alright. Sa likod pala yung bus. Kala mo dito pupunta. Alright, let's go. Training day. The Philippine rugby team. Check it out, yo. Yun. Oh, Aaron. Tiga ka na. Ano kami? Tayuan kasi siksikan. So standing tayo, standing. Here we go. Oh, I like the music, huh? We're gonna feel.
Oh my god. Hello.
Logging in here sa field, training area ng Philippine rugby team natin. So yun. Ready for shoot na tayo. Let's do this. Behind the scenes.
Go.
This is us! We're here in Thailand to shoot the Philippine rugby team. Shooting with a Fujifilm X200. Aking Fujinon lens na long lens. Alright, let's do this!
Stop. Do it over. They were running, but see, he said go.
Five. Set.
Hello everybody, this is day 3 in Thailand. Logging in, 7-Eleven. Thai tea for, magkano? 26? 26 ba? Mas masarap siya compared dun sa food court na yun naman namin. Ayan. I got a toasted sandwich for 29 baht. Ham and sandwich. Teka, balik muna kami. Sobrang init dito kanina. Shredded pork cheese sandwich. Here in Thailand, they have Nescafe Cafe. Ganda ng cafe nila. Oh. Kala ko SBC. Legit ko, cafe. Nescafe Cafe. Bango, grabe. Black lime. Open chat. Ano yun? Nice. Thai tea. 7-Eleven. Masarap.
My vlog camera because I vlog as well.
Okay. Shooting day 2 done. Day 3 in Thailand. Ito. Kapalik na kami sa hotel. Pahinga na. I'm very excited to get some good action shots para ma-upload sa Facebook ni Philippine Rugby Team. Ayan. Ayan. Buti na wala na yung araw. Sakit. Mamaya manood kami ng Yuan UFC fight sa stadium na malapit dito. Pero freshen up muna, baka tayo natin mag-mall nearby. Tignan natin. Sige, kala ko tatry mo eh.
Been provided with tickets for one championship tonight, so a round of applause. Big thanks to my roomie Thomas for sorting that out. As you know, there's a couple of Filipinos fighting tonight. We've got Edward Flying and Joshua Pacio.
To really know how sunny it is, I don't actually look at the weather, I just look at Feeney. If his triceps are looking good.
Alright, video blog check everybody. Azrael here. We are here in Thailand at for a 12 days of trip. At 7-Eleven, nakakita kami ng itong lightning port na earphones. Going to Lumpini Stadium. Here sa Lumpini Stadium, gonna watch 1FC. Team Philippines tayo. Sila Pulayan, Team Lakay, si Pasio are fighting. Actually, si Pasio baka nag-start na 6:30. Today is fight night. Merch. Oh, isa main dash.
Ito ba si Pasio?
Hindi ko alam. Basta 6:30 eh. Alright, thank you. Thank you. Okay. Sura na muna natin to. Tickets. Wala kami. We're out of the stadium. Yun o. Grabe yung suntukan. Grabe. Mamaya na lang ako magkukwento. So, after the 1FC, kain na kami kay Aaron dito. I ordered some crispy pork. Rice si Aaron, omelette na thing. Ayan, that's 150 baht parehas. Yung mga okay, di ba hindi ko mind kasi walang mga pagkain eh. Ba't to merong coffee dito? Order tayo mamaya ng coffee. For 45 baht, American. Ano yung pagkain namin, niluluto na. Ang bango, grabe. Sobrang bango. Sabi ko, hindi spicy. There's a coffee shop. They have the Mount Apo coffee from Davao City. Astig. Okay, thank you. Ay, Amerikano. Finally. Ano nga eh. Ano yung pagkain ni Aaron? Omelette ano to? Hindi mo alam. Umorder ka, hindi mo alam kung anong omelette. Sa akin nga, crispy. Crispy pork na may itlog. Okay. Natin yung Amerikano. Oh, grabe yung tasa. Maanghang yan eh. Ang inuwa naman ni Aaron, no? Ang ngayon, grabe. Dali na ako dyan sa fast food eh. Sa food court. Ayan, kakain na. Sarap ng crispy pork. It's good. Hindi maanghang. Ano laman niya? Parang isda ba or crab? Para akala ko pancake, para siyang roti na may sugar daw sa ibabaw. So 100 baht, 3 piraso. Anong lasa? Pancake? Diba? Sakso sarap. Oh, may pagka. Coffee. Bob's sausage. Ano? Satay? Asan? Ay, yung ano yun, milk tea na ano, Mad Cow is burger. 380 baht. Wow. Ito parang shawarma. Kebab cheese. O, madami pa pala dito eh. Oh. Mga food ano. Ang mahal na oh. 300 baht na burger. Ito 90. Pwede pa to. Patulan ko pa to. Ang taming 7-Eleven. May footbridge. Good luck sa amin. Akit tayo doon. Safe kaya doon? O, tara. Kaya so sa footbridge kami. Umakit na kami doon. Pagligo ko sa footbridge, may babae nakatayo na mahaba buhok na nakahinto na nakayuko. Walang yan, nagulat ako. Yung pala, yung babae nagse-cellphone. Nakatayo, hindi mo bumababa ng hagdanan. Grabe. Nagulat ako, kala ko yung mga kaya kakanood ng mga Thai horror movies. Okay, ito na. Mababa kami dito pa sa 7-Eleven at dyan na kami bibili ng pang breakfast at grab pa uwi. Alright, let's do this.